If your training studio is stuck between 40 to 60 clients and you can't seem to get past that and your growth has plateaued, then join me in the next few minutes. I'm going to explain exactly why studios get stuck at this point and what you need to do to keep growing to the next step. And if you comment the word growth below this video, I'll send over the breakdown of this model that we'll use in this video so you can download it and save it for yourself. If you don't know me, my name is Justin Devonshire. I've spent 15 years growing and scaling fitness studios and gyms all over the world and helping thousands of personal trainers do the same thing. And from helping thousands of trainers, the pattern is clear. Most semi-private studios and group training studios grow to about 40 to 60 clients. They make somewhere between $15,000 to $20,000 a month in revenue, and then they hit a growth plateau. Growth stalls and they stay here for months. Some stay here for years, and they think they need more leads. They do more aggressive marketing. They discount their prices, and it doesn't help, and they stay stuck in the same place. So what's happening is you're not growing, you're replacing, because most gyms at this point have somewhere around a 10% churn rate. So that means if you're at 40 to 60 clients, you're losing 4 to 6 of them every month. Now, if those same gyms only grow by 2 to 3 new clients every month, even though they're posting content, maybe running ads, paying for an agency, hustling hard, giving discounts, if you only bring in 2 to 3 clients, but yet you're losing 4 to 6 clients a month, your revenue at best is going to stay the same, but in most likelihood, it's actually going to be scaling down. Up until a busy season like September or January, where you naturally get more sales in without much effort, and then you go back up to about a solid 50 clients again. And then you just keep repeating the same cycle year after year. So this is what I call the 20K plateau trap. And it's completely common. Most studios end up here, so you're not alone if you're in that position. But to break it, like we've done with thousands of studios all over the world, you need 3 numbers working together. So the first number you need to know is your growth rate. This is the number of new sales that you bring in through the door each month for a front end or trial offer. So it's always easier to sell a front end package, something like 4 to 6 weeks, than it is to close a 12-month client from day one. So the studios that grow the fastest will usually offer a front end package first to get that first sale. Think of it like a paid trial. Now, if you run a group training studio, you're going to need at least 15 to 20 new front-end sales every single month on average. If you break that down per week, it's at least 3 to 5 new high-paying clients every week. And that's what we do in studios all over the world. Now, here's why that's important. So the next math you need to know is what we call ascension rate. Ascension is what percentage of those front-end clients convert and stay on a recurring EFT package for 6 or 12 months minimum. So the ascension rate you need to aim for is between 60 to 75%. So if you get 10 people do a 6-week introduction program, out of those 10, 6 or 7 of them should be staying afterward. And you need a robust system that helps you do that systematically. And the third number then you have to look at is your churn rate. This is the percentage of your recurring clients that you lose to attrition each month on average. Now, like I said, most studios without the right systems and guidance will have around a 10% churn, which makes it virtually impossible to grow because you would need so many sales on the front just to replace the people you're losing and get net growth is really hard. So what you need to do is bring down your churn rate to roughly 3 to 5% as a monthly average. That sounds difficult, but we do that in studios, again, all over the world. So it is possible. So when these 3 things line up, you have a growth rate of at least 15 to 20 new front-end sales a month on average. You're converting 60 to 70% of those into recurring, and then you're only losing no more than 5% of your recurring clients each month, you're no longer just replacing clients, but you're actually going to have a net recurring client growth of at least 5 to 8 new additional recurring clients every single month. And that is the goal that we aim for. That's the North Star. That's the one most important goal that we review with our studio owners every single quarter. So here's why this works. If you're charging about $397 a month for semi-private, which is what we recommend, then if you're adding 4 to 5 net new recurring clients at the end of each month, you're adding or stacking about $2,000 to $3,000 in recurring revenue every single month. And that's how these studios will burst through the 20K plateau and scale up to 40K a month, 50K a month, even 60K a month plus. So if you want the full breakdown of how we install these systems into your studio, so you get the growth, you get the ascension, and you lower the churn, again, just comment growth and I'll send over the model.